guys, it's Abby. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a holiday glam makeup look. I've done quite a few more like creative Christmas themed looks already, and I want to do something that is not necessarily natural, but more of like a you can wear it for like Christmas parties, whatever. But this is just more of a wearable holiday look. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe so you can check out my other videos when I upload. And other than that, let's just hop right on into the video. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing is taking our Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Soft Beige, and I'm going to be applying this all over my face like usual. And then I'm just blending that out with a beauty blender. Oh my god. Okay, so there was a stink bug in my room flying around, and like those are gross in general and I absolutely hate those, but I thought it was a wasp, which really scared me, but that still scares me because I hate bugs and germs and disgustingness. Yeah, so that situation is now taken care of, although I think I broke my foot because I tripped over my light trying to run away from it. But yeah, we're just gonna move on to the next step and pretend that didn't happen. I'm gonna be taking my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C3 and just applying that over the areas that need concealing or highlighting. Now taking my ColourPop No Filter setting powder in the shade Translucent, I'm going to shake that up a little bit, and with a fluffy brush I'm just going to be setting my face. Next for bronzer, I'm using the ColourPop bronzer in the shade CA Dreaming. For blush, I'm using the Sigma Aura Powder Face Powder in the shade Nymphia? I'm not sure. I can guarantee you the way I just said it was wrong, but I don't know how to say it, so we're just taking that on a little brush and applying it to the apples of our cheeks and blending it back towards our hairline. And I'm just dabbing a little bit on the bridge of my nose like I did in my last video. For highlight today, I'm using the Jouer Citrine highlight and my Morphe R36 brush to apply it to the usual highlighting spots. So next I'm going into the James Charles palette, and I promise I'm gonna try to use other palettes like within my next few looks. I've been using this so much. I don't think I've used another palette since I got this one, but it's just so perfect because like the shades are perfect, like they blend amazingly, and there's every color that I ever need. So I apologize that I've been using this so much, but like this is my favorite palette. But first we're going to be dipping into the shade Social Blade right here, the limeish green one at the very bottom left corner, and I'm going to be taking this on a Morphe M506 brush. What I'm going to be doing is just taking a little bit of that shade and packing it into the crease, and then I'm going to be blending it upwards towards my eyebrow. So with the same Morphe M506 brush, we're going to be dipping into the shade Daddy, which is the darker green shade, and we are going to be putting that into the outer corner. We're going to be first packing it into the outer corner, and then we're going to be blending it up into the crease and towards the center of the lid just to deepen up the look a little bit. Now with a Morphe M149 brush, I'm going into the shade You're Kidding, the bright red shade, which is incredible. And I'm going to be applying that directly to the lower lash line. Next for lashes, I'm going to be wearing Lily lashes in the style Lila. Okay, so next we're going to be taking the Stila Magnificent Metals liquid eyeshadow in the shade Diamond Dust, and mine looks all crusty and disgusting. It's practically empty, and there's red on it from my last look, so that's fun. We're going to take this and a little like precision brush, and we're going to be putting freckles all over with the glitter. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to go off camera and apply the Stila Stay All Day lip liner in the shade Marsala, and then I'll come back on camera and I will be applying the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Hi, How Are Ya? Okay, so this right here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!